So here we are at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event for the Galaxy S20, and I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is Scooch Case. And so Scooch Case sent me off a case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra as well as the Galaxy S20 Plus, just to give it a little test. So let's first test out the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So when you place this one in, this is the case of choice that I've been using for the last couple of years. And so honestly, you know, with this one, it just feels great. So going through just the buttons, the button press, the clickability for the power button is actually very nice, very responsive. It's not hard, not easy, and it's not going to be one of those where if you're sitting in, you know, a cup holder, placing this in the cup holder, that this would not, you know, accidentally be pressed. On the back, because this does have wireless charging and the wireless power share, you can simply take this off and then you'd be able to charge your phone and other phones as well. And then when you place this one right back on, then you'd be able to attach this inside of your car. It's also basically a tripod, kind of sitting up like a little bit of a stand. So, I mean, the way that this one feels, it feels really good. And so this is one of the cases I'll be using when I get the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, testing out the case again for the Galaxy S20 Plus, let's head over into the Plus phone. Scooch is not making the case at all for the smaller S20, so they're only going for the S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra. But again, clickability of the buttons feels good. Going through the volume buttons, the power button, I mean, it feels great. It's just the same design as all the other Scooch cases, you know, for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Again, I just love the fact of the feature on the back that this is not only magnetic to magnetic inside of, you know, a magnet spot inside of your vehicle, but you can take this off to charge your phone, other devices, place this one right back on, and then you have your little kickstand in the back. But honestly, I use this a lot for when I actually hold on to the phone. So again, a huge thank you to the sponsor of Scooch Case for helping me get out here to Unpacked. Had to show off these cases here because I am excited for these two phones and for these two cases. So again, the Scooch Case for the S20 Ultra and the S20 Plus, not available for the smaller S20. So if you guys are interested in getting any of these cases, I'll be placing some links below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.